Hello, students. Let us continue with the topic that I started 2 days ago. Okay, students. Uh, in the previous lecture, I taught you how to draft an advertisement. Okay, and even I taught you some of the basics of drafting advertisements. If you haven't watched that video, I request you all to watch it first so that this lecture will be meaningful for you. Okay, okay, students. So let us continue with this advertisement. It is for sale. Okay, a go down means you have a go down available for sale. Okay, so you have to draft an advertisement for the same in about 50 words. So let us see what's there. I have written for you a go down, and this is the area uh, of 185 square yard. Okay, this is the location, prime location near Sherpur Chowk, is available for outright sale. Okay, clear, clear. You can even put a comma between them, and then easily approachable for trucks, etc. This is the special, you can say, facility. Okay, clear. Special, you can detail. Okay, cost can be settled on a cup of tea. This is the way. This is one of the expression that you can write when you don't want to express the price exactly. You can write this phrase. Cost can be means the price can be settled on a cup of tea. मिल बैठ के मतलब बात कर लेंगे मीन्स नेगोशिएबल है. ऑनर गोइंग अब्रॉड, और ये रीज़न है वाई यू आर लेटिंग इट फॉर सेल, क्यों आप इसको फॉर सेल में करें तो इसीलिए. ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट इमीजिएटली आर के पूनिया, और दिस इज़ द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर अवेलेबल बिटवीन 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. डेली. ओके, this is his availability when you can contact him. Okay, students, clear. Let us check what is there in the next slide. Okay, students, we are reading the for sale column now. Okay, and in this column I have taught you how to draft advertisement of for sale. Okay, regarding the properties. Okay, clear. And now let us know the value points regarding vehicles. Means if you want to purchase or if you want to sell out any vehicle. Okay, so you need to keep these points in your mind. First, name of the vehicle, उसका नाम क्या है. ओके, मॉडल, कलर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. ओके, एक्सेसरीज, माइलेज कवर्ड, माइलेज डन, कितनी माइलेज उसकी, एवरेज पर लीटर. ओके, you should mention this. Okay, any additional information like registration, है ना, रजिस्ट्रेशन किस जगह का है वो बताएं. ओके, एंड बस सिंगल हैंड और डबल हैंड है, किस तरह का ये. ओके, एक्सपेक्टेड प्राइस must be told. Okay, and then contact number or address. Okay, this is the main things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, suppose you have a car and you want to dispose it off, so how would you draft such an advertisement? So here is the solution. You can even make the heading car for sale. Okay, clear, car for sale. Okay, so now you have this car available for sale, so you can write available for sale. What? A white colored Maruti Swift. This is the name of the car. Okay, this is the model, manufactured in 2019. Excellent condition, fitted with good stereo system, new tires, alloy wheels, single hand driven. Okay, this is the additional information. Okay, clear. And प्राइस एक्सपेक्टेड ₹5 लाख. ओके, आपने बता दिया यहाँ पे. एंड होम टू कॉन्टैक्ट नरेश 4A सेक्टर 16 पानीपत, और कॉल at this number. Okay, so this is your advertisement for the sale of a car. Students, suppose you need to write the same advertisement for purchase. Means if you want to purchase any car, how would you write? So simple is here you will write for purchase. Okay, you wanted a car. Wanted wanted what? Wanted a white colored Maruti Swift 2019 model, should be in excellent condition, fitted with hi-fi music system, है ना? Okay, alloy wheel, single hand driven, okay, driven or 22 kmpl approximate. Okay, clear. Run, okay, not more than 10,000 kilometers. Okay, or okay, genuine owner may contact और there your address will be written there. Okay, तो वो है फॉर परचेज के लिए. क्लियर. नाउ फॉर सेल का लास्ट कॉलम पढ़ रहे हैं, दैट इज हाउस होल्ड गुड्स. मीन्स हाउ वुड यू ऑफर द हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स और अप्लायंसेज ऑन सेल और फॉर सेल. कैसे अब उनको करेंगे? So you have to keep these points in your mind. First of all, you have to give the name of the brand model. Okay, material of which it is made, किससे बना है वो बताएं. Condition, utility, okay, contact details and specific detail if any. Okay, clear. Or warranty if you want to mention. Okay, clear. I have already written to save your much time. Household goods for sale. Household goods for sale. This could be your, you can say, title. Okay, household goods for sale, available for immediate sale, sparingly used household goods in excellent condition. क्या आपने स्पेयरली यूज़ की हैं, कोई ज़्यादा उनका यूज़ नहीं है. दे आर लेस यूज्ड हाउस होल्ड गुड्स हैं जो कि एक्सीलेंट कंडीशन में हैं. ओके, अ डबल बेड 5-सीटर सोफा सेट. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल ग्लास सेंट्रल टेबल, LCD डाइनिंग टेबल विद 4 चेयर, LG AC, Samsung refrigerator. Okay, and washing machine at very reasonable price. So these are the whole household items that you want to sell them out. Okay, owner going abroad. Reason क्या है? What's the reason of selling them? Because you are going abroad. Okay, आप बाहर जा रहे हैं. Prices of all items negotiable, means they can be settled down. Okay, clear. Contact Mr. Devendra Yadav, C25 Sarita Vihar, Ambala. This is your address and your contact number. Simple, quite simple it is. Okay, okay, students. Let us read how to draft advertisements of regarding to let or accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted और to let के लिए कैसे करेंगे? You are looking for an independent house on rent, मीन्स आपको रेंट पे चाहिए कि इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस इन साउथ दिल्ली. ड्राफ्ट अ सुटेबल एडवर्टीजमेंट अंडर द क्लासिफाइड कॉलम ऑफ अ न्यूज़ पेपर मैंशनिंग द नेसेसरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. मीन्स यू नीड टू हैव अ हाउस ऑन रेंट. तो हाउ वुड यू राइट देन? हियर द हेडिंग वुड बी अकोमोडेशन वांटेड. देन आपको चाहिए तो ये क्या लिखेंगे? वांटेड और रिक्वायर्ड, बोथ आर राइट. तो रिक्वायर्ड ऑन बैंक लीज, किस पे चाहिए? बैंक की लीज पे चाहिए. क्या? अ न्यूली बिल्ट इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस इन साउथ दिल्ली. ओके, इन साउथ दिल्ली आपको ये कर चाहिए. 3 बेडरूम्स विद अटैच्ड बाथ्स. ओके, ड्राइंग एंड डाइनिंग विद मॉड्यूलर किचन. ओके, वेल वेंटिलेटेड एंड वेल फर्निश्ड. इट मस्ट बी वेल वेंटिलेटेड, हवादार ये हो, है ना, एयरी हो, स्पेशियस हो. ओके, मॉड्यूलर किचन हो, कार पार्किंग. दीज आर द फैसिलिटीज़. 24/7 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड वाटर सप्लाई. ईस्ट एंड पार्क फेसिंग. ओके, भाई प्रॉपर्टीज़ के पहले भी तो हम ये लिखते थे, अब ये है. प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू मार्केट, स्कूल, बस स्टैंड, ओके, हॉस्पिटल एंड मेट्रो स्टेशन. So these are your requirements for this accommodation. Okay, and reasonable price होनी चाहिए. Contact RK Singh, ये आप हैं, A2 Saket, New Delhi, and these are your mobile number. Okay, this is your mobile number. Okay, beta, keep writing them in your fair notebook. Okay, I'll even, if possible, I'll send a PDF of it. Okay, clear? Now, students, let us go to the next type of advertisement, that is matrimonial. In matrimonial advertisement, matrimonial means in which we talk about uh, um, that we search suitable matches for a girl or any boy, okay, so that their marriage can be arranged. Okay, तो मैट्रिमोनियल में शादी ब्याह की बात करते हैं हम. ओके, बिगिंस विद वांटेड, या तो वांटेड लिखेंगे, अदरवाइज अलायंस, इनवाइटेड फॉर, या प्रपोजल, इनवाइटेड फॉर, और जिसके चाहिए उसके क्वांटिफायर्स यहाँ लिखेंगे. ओके, then you have to give the physical description for whom you want, bride or groom. Okay, age, height, complexion, color नहीं होता है, complexion होता है, और complexion are mainly three, fair, okay, एक होता है dark, और एक होता है whitish, that is Indian color. Okay, so complexion, then tell slim or tall. Okay, slim is used for female. Okay, clear? Caste, subcaste, religion, etc., this should be mentioned clearly. Qualification, job, है ना, post, salary, means economic background कैसा है वो बताएं. Family description and its background. Okay, preferences, what you want the boy or the girl should have, क्या होना चाहिए वो प्रेफरेंसेज आप बताएं. देन पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर और कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, और पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर और कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर जरूर लिखें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, you have to keep this one in your mind. What? Parents prefer giving post box number to direct address. Okay, for secrecy and security measures, means instead of giving your personal address, you have to write a post box number, as your advertisement will be published in a newspaper. Okay, or you can say on a public domain. So there will be so many unnecessary callers uh, who can even trouble you a lot. So keeping those secrecy and security, you need to write a post box number. Okay, so ठीक है. uh, the newspaper, after a week, okay, they send them the to the advertiser. जो न्यूज़पेपर का जो पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर लिखते हैं ना, तो न्यूज़पेपर वाले आपके पास in a week they will send you the detail. Okay, and the advertiser can choose any suitable candidate to contact, or फिर it is on the will of advertiser of whom application would they grant, would they consider, किसको कंसिडर करें वो उनके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर? देखते हैं. हियर ब्राइड वांटेड, दुल्हन चाहिए, किसके लिए चाहिए? लड़के के लिए चाहिए, जाहिर सी बात है. वांटेड अ सुटेबल मैच फॉर, wanted a suitable match for an Aurora Khatri girl. Okay, MBA. Okay, 39 years. Okay, it is his height 172 centimeter. Plastic business in Jalandhar. The girl should be exceptionally beautiful. ओके, क्या आपकी प्रेफरेंसेस वो बताइए कि गर्ल कैसी होनी चाहिए? ब्यूटीफुल होनी चाहिए, होमली, घरेलू एंड कल्चर्ड. ओके, मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन मस्ट बी ग्रेजुएट बिटवीन 30 to 32, है ना, 13 से 34-35 तक. एट लीस्ट 160 सेंटीमीटर मस्ट बी आर हाइट. ओके, पंजाबी फैमिली से बिलोंग हो. ओके, इट इज मीन्स पंजाबी फैमिली विल बी प्रिफर्ड. ओके, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर ये हैं. मीन्स यहाँ पे एक लाइन वी कैन इवन ऐड, द इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट मे सेंड इन देयर बायोडाटा टू पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1533. ओके, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, Let us write uh, or learn another advertisement regarding matrimonial. Write a matrimonial column to be published in a newspaper for a suitable match for your sister. आपकी सिस्टर के लिए आपको मैच चाहिए. So here what you want? Groom wanted. So here we would like alliance invited from a tall handsome doctor. ओके देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा, अलायंस इनवाइटेड फ्रॉम. ओके, कहाँ से किसे चाहिए, ये दीज आर द योर रिक्वायरमेंट. आपको लड़के में ये सारी खूबी चाहिए. अ टॉल हैंडसम डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, हाईली प्लेस्ड प्रोफेशनल, सीए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, और वेल सेटल्ड बिजनेसमैन विद स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. ओके, for a very charming, beautiful, slim girl from a cultured Jain family. Okay, so these are the quantifiers, or you can say uh, adjectives that we are using for a girl. गर्ल के लिए, कौन सी गर्ल के लिए, जो कि चार्मिंग है, ब्यूटीफुल है, स्लिम. ओके, फ्रॉम अ कल्चर्ड जैन फैमिली. ठीक है, हर एज इज 23 years. ओके, 5 feet 3 inch. हर हाइट 50 kg weight. Convent educated, working with an MNC in Delhi. Okay, father class first officer, caste no bar. Okay, if the groom is well settled, then caste no bar. Okay, send biodata to post box number 112, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Okay, clear? So this is the way you can draft an advertisement regarding the matrimonials. Okay, now students, let us go through the next advertisement. It is missing persons. Missing persons. So missing persons के लिए value points कौन से होंगे? First of all, you have to write the heading missing or missing person. You can write a boy missing boy, ऐसे ना, in the center setting. डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द मिसिंग कैरेक्टर मीन्स जो भी गायब हो उसका फिजिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन देना होगा, लाइक कॉम्प्लेक्शन. ओके, हाइट, नेम, एज, स्पेशल आइडेंटिफिकेशन मार्क्स. यू कैन इवन यूज इन दीज आइडेंटिफिकेशन मार्क्स, यू कैन इवन मेंशन मोल, कि तिल कहाँ पर है उसके, है ना, एनी कट मार्क, कोई कट मार्क हो उसके उस पर. Okay, and any other marks that you think is unique on his face or on his body. Okay, give date, time and place of missing, कहाँ से गायब हुआ, कब हुआ, किस तारीख को हुआ. Additional information must be given, and reward for the finders. Okay, and address or contact number to whom the finder should contact. Okay, let us write such an advertisement. Students, you will be given a statement. Write an advertisement for the classified column of a daily newspaper about an 18-year-old boy missing. Uh, okay, okay, and you have to invent all the necessary details of his physical appearance. Okay, so first of all, you may here write boy missing, or you can write uh, missing only. So in capital letters we will write missing. Okay, and who is missing? A boy, एक लड़का. क्या नाम उसका? नेम्ड जीनू या जय. Okay, clear? How many years, how old he is? He is 18 years old. Okay, clear? Okay, and now his physical appearance: height 180 centimeter. Okay, dark complexion. Okay, clear? Black hair. Okay, ही हैज़ अ वुंड मार्क, घाव का निशान है भाई, ऑन ऑन द राइट हैंड। ओके, क्लियर। और क्लोथिंग बताइए उसकी, वियरिंग रेड टी शर्ट, ओके, एंड येलो पैंट, ओके, पीटी शूज़, ये उसकी पीटी शूज़ उसने पहन रखे हैं, ओके। एंड देन बताइए कब से गायब है, मिसिंग मिसिंग फ्रॉम, कहाँ से गायब है, फ्रॉम बस स्टैंड, ओके। सिंस कब से, सिंस 15 अप्रैल, ओके, इन द मॉर्निंग, ओके। अब रिवार्ड वगैरह की बात कर लीजिए, इन्फॉर्मर शैल बी, यहाँ देखो शैल यूज़ किया है बिकॉज थर्ड पर्सन साथ प्रोमिस करते हैं ना पक्के वाला, तो वी यूज शैल, शैल बी richly award rewarded, okay, clear। And now whom to contact, contact Mr. अनिल यादव, ओके। कहाँ रहते हैं भाई, अ, सरिता विहार, न्यू दिल्ली, ओके। एंड हियर देन phone number, okay। Okay, clear। Now hence your advertisement is complete, okay, okay। You need to put it in a box, okay, clear। Students, suppose you found any girl, any missing girl, or any child, so how would you draft such an advertisement? Let me make you learn it, okay। Suppose you found a missing girl child, okay, so how would you construct it, क्योंकि बच्चे बता नहीं सकते ना कि भी कौन है कहाँ से, तो such advertisement should be published under missing or and found column, so, okay, so you can even underline this, okay। Now let's write a girl, a girl child, okay, mention the age approx 4 or 5 years, okay। कहाँ मिली, फाउंड कैसे मिली, मैं तो किन हालातों में नहीं, फाउंड वीपिंग, ओके, अनअटेंडेड, ये प्लेस है, आउटसाइड, आउटसाइड पानीपत रेलवे स्टेशन, ओके। कब, ऑन 24 अप्रैल, ओके, 2000 क्रॉस, ओके। नाउ स्पेसिफिक डिटेल ऑफ दिस गर्ल चाइल्ड, शी वकलाती है या, है ना, तो शी स्टैमर्स एंड is unable टू टेल बताने में तो है नहीं, बता नहीं सकती। टेल द नेम ऑफ हर पेरेंट्स। ओके, क्लियर। बोलती क्या है तो फिर? स्पीक्स ओनली वर्ड। व्हाट वर्ड? मम्मी। ओके, फॉर द टाइम बिंग, for the time being she is in the is in uh, बाल आश्रम। ओके, कहाँ पर भाई? सदर बाजार, पानीपत। ओके, क्लियर। कॉन्टैक्ट द मैनेजर। Even sometime we can even make a box here for the photograph. Okay, clear. Okay, students, so let me complete the box. Okay. Okay, so in this way you can write such advertisement. Okay, now students, let us talk about some other uh, important type of advertisement. Okay, clear. Let us try to make an advertisement regarding travels and tours. Okay, in the advertisement related to tours and travel. Okay, these advertisements begin with package available. Okay, इनसे होंगी, and then destination and duration of the trip. Okay, thereafter details of the package. Okay, like food, boarding. Okay, lodging, ठहरने के लिए, and sightseeing, etc. Okay, these must be given. Thereafter price and special discount if you provide. Okay, special discounts. Okay, if any, clear. And then name of the travel agency. Okay, it should be given. Okay, and then contact details. Okay, clear. Let us try to write such an advertisement. Okay, students, you will be asked to write an advertisement. You draft an advertisement for a travel agency for a holiday package to Singapore. Okay, include the necessary details. Okay, so as the owner of the or manager of this tour and travel agency, you need to draft such an advertisement. Okay, so first of all, in center setting, write tours tours and travels. Okay, then begin it like attractive package available. Available. Attractive package available for which? For Singapore. Okay, it's a proper name. So Singapore. Okay, अवेलेबल फॉर सिंगापुर तो कितने के लिए? 3 nights, 3 nights, 4 days. Okay, breakfast. Okay, and डिनर. ओके, ये फूड के लिए बात होगी. देन स्टे एट 3 स्टार होटल. ओके, और साइट सीइंग नज़ारे जो होंगे वो क्या होंगे? इंक्लूडेड. ओके, इसी में इंक्लूड है, इसी उसमें. और गाइड, गाइड अवेलेबल means you need not to pay extra charges for guide. Okay, available at rupees 8,000 per person. Okay, special discount 18,000 करो भाई. स्पेशल डिस्काउंट for early bookings, and for more than 4 persons. Okay, in a group. Okay, air fare is extra. इसके एक्स्ट्रा देने होंगे आपको. ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट नाउ द कंपनी नेम स्टार ट्रेवल्स. एड्रेस दीजिए G25. ओके, कनॉट प्लेस, न्यू दिल्ली. okay, New Delhi, and here or call 999 111. Okay, here 3 4. Okay, and then cross. Okay, and then complete the box. Okay, let us read the next one. Next one is change in name. Okay, clear? In this advertisement, if a person changes his or her name, makes any minor change in his or her name, it must include the previous name of the person, father's name, address, date of birth, followed by the new name. Means you have to give all the information regarding that thing. Okay, clear? So you have changed your name from Sandeep to तेजवीर सिंह चड्डा. राइट एन एडवर्टीजमेंट टू नोटिफाई इट. तो देखते हैं कैसे लिखें इसको. सो आई हैव रिटर्न इट्स वैल्यू पॉइंट, प्रीवियस नेम, फादर्स नेम, एड्रेस, डेट ऑफ बर्थ फॉलोड बाय द न्यू नेम. ओके, तो योर टाइटल विल बी चेंज इन नेम. ओके, देन start it like I, previous name, Sandeep Singh, okay, son of Mr. Mr. Paramveer Singh, okay, clear. uh, residence of resident of residence of 205 Vipul Colony, okay, Railway Road, Railway Road, Rajpura, okay, clear. Railway Road, Rajpura, ठीक है, comma, born on 5th January 1986, ठीक है, have changed my name to Tejveer Singh, okay, to Tejveer Singh, stop. I shall hence forth be known as Tejveer Singh, okay, for all official purposes. For all official purposes. Yes. This is your change in name, advertisement for change in name. Okay. To save your time, beta, I have written the rest of the advertisements. Okay. The next column is lost and found. Okay, and in this the advertisement begins with lost and found. Okay, जो कि center setting में लिखना होगा. Provide brief physical description of the and the name of the subject object और article जो भी पाया है, मिला है, खोया है, उसके लिए लिखना पड़ेगा. Brand, color, size, condition. Okay, when and where you have lost or you have found it. Okay, reward if any, in case you have lost, so there must be a reward for the finder. Okay, and contact detail. Let us read. Lost and found, center setting लिखा. Lost a black VIP leather briefcase while traveling in Delhi metro between RK Ashram Marg and Mandi House. इन दोनों के बीच में कहीं वो गायब हुआ, खो गया कहीं. On 10 July between 8:30 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. Okay, the briefcase contains certificates, important papers and has my name Pawan Kumar pasted on its handle. Handle पे नाम लिखा हुआ है. Okay, okay. Finder will duly be rewarded. Okay, clear. And how much he will be rewarded is not mentioned here. You can even mention. Okay. If found, kindly contact Mr. Pawan Kumar, 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. Okay. So this will be your advertisement for lost and found column. Okay. Next and last column for today is educational institution. Name of the institution should be given. Okay. Past record. Okay. Course offered and their duration, कितने duration के course होंगे वो. Eligibility criteria, details of admission test if any अगर है तो, fee structure and facilities offered, किस तरह की facilities आप provide करवाते हैं, scholarship for meritorious students or not. okay, and then contact number or address. I have written it also for you. Educational institution. Even you can write educational. It is quite enough. Okay. SOFL means School of Foreign Languages. Okay. Announces the commencement of short-term courses. Short-term courses, COURSES courses in Chinese, Japanese, French, and German. Duration 3 months. Okay. Eligibility class 12th with a distinction in English. Okay. Best results. Okay. Excellent faculty available. Free demo classes are available. Training in language lab. Okay. Scholarship for meritorious students is also available here. Okay, students. Okay, so send in your uh, applications by 1st July 2020 to the director, School of Foreign Languages, Hyderabad, or make a call. For more further detail you can call at this number. Okay, so this is all from my end, beta. Okay, uh, clear. Thanks for watching the video. Okay, thank you.